The Shiba Inu leader has confirmed that the ship has some actual utility and that its price could potentially rise to far higher levels than we currently have. Everyone should be expecting what's going on. Make sure to give it a thumbs up now that utility is available. You can see what's going on directly in front of your eyes. We ship to numerous locations across the world, but I need to get rid of the stigma attached to meme tokens. Understand that we aren't like any other token, Doge is included. Therefore he's effectively saying that he isn't like a lot of people's Doge. They think of Shiba Inu when they hear the word. When I tell my friends about Shiba Inu, they think I'm crazy. I tell my pals all across the world it does not supply Shiba Inu as another Doge. Some kind of utility. So for those who are, as I said in one of my previous posts, you're inquiring about the ship. The community has responded to some of my recent tweets. Life and breeding of ships. As a result, I'll focus on systems that enable this ship to be traded and sold in the same way she was. Which one is the future coin pack? Responded, I've already read this, but however, it is critical to take note of this. She is significant as a steady coin. It's worth mentioning because it enables for the development of our environment. Besides, the ship will continue to be utilized worldwide. I already read all of it, so we do have a lot to talk about today. Can we make it to $1 before Doge? It is possible, but it is unlikely. Can we reach 1 cent before though, which reaches $1? I don't think so. Can we reach 1/3 of a cent before Doge reaches $1? Definitely. I definitely do think it's possible. You know, a lot of people are really excited about the prices, but even having 1/3 of a cent with half profit for everyone, especially with Shiba Swap. But the most important factor is Shiba Inu is only 1 year old, while Dogecoin is 7 years old. So imagine Shiba Inu's price in 7 years. In 6 years that will be a big price difference, wouldn't it? Especially since Doge was just sitting around, had no activity, and then pumped, of course, while Elon Musk promoted Shiba Inu coin. It's very important note, Shiba Inu now is becoming a big project. It's having utility, it's backed by a community, and it's having people online as always. And the most important factor is Dogecoin is already partnered with all the big exchanges. It already has increased in price and everything else, and it's having less of social media following, so it's talked about less and less. While Shiba Inu has the same factor, we have an important thing. We have potential. We can still be listed on Coinbase, we can still be listed on Robinhood, we can still be listed on PayPal, we can still be listed on Cash App, we can still be listed on Eventmo. So many more exchanges, so many more opportunities to grow, while institutions can invest it to us. We could definitely 10x to at least Dogecoin's market cap, if not more, and that's what I find really exciting about Shiba. You know that we can see a lot bigger returns that we might be expecting. That's all we are here for. We're here for to support a project, but also to get big rewards, right? So we can all get that profit we deserve. But Bitcoin technicals, can we see that high? Well, that will be after Bitcoin. How low will Bitcoin price go after falling at 42k resistance, and how low will actually the price go? Well, some are saying that maybe Bitcoin will reach 20,000. However, I still do think 60,000 is more possible. The current sentiment is the expectation of Bitcoin to rally to 100,000 or higher in the second part of this year, while on-chain analysts are back on their game once again. So potentially they're saying that Bitcoin is gonna be at 100,000 or more. Is Bitcoin gonna break upwards from here, or will a healthy correction take place? So we saw massive increases in the following days. What I do think for Bitcoin is that August is still going to be the red summer. Now the red summer is when we're not getting those increases we want, but we are getting the drops we need to go back, you know, from maybe 40,000 back to 30,000 for Bitcoin, and then jumping up to 100,000. So total market cap is also at a big resistance. I do think we will reach by the end of the year at its highest for this year, so we'll be having back at a huge market right now. But we are waiting for new investors in Chibano. That is the key to change the prices now. Key levels to watch for Bitcoin on lower time frames. Now we do see a technical analysis over here, but however, after such a substantial rally and a fast sentiment switch, a correction is very healthy. Then we could be seeing another spike, another big spike in September, as El Salvador is coming in, and as we're seeing these big spikes, that will be Shiba Inu's time to rise. Everyone, you know, it has been sleeping for long enough. It's time for Shiba Inu to reclaim its throne, especially Bitcoin, and break above 41,000 in one go. I'm wondering what will happen to Dogecoin, as the developers are still working on actual utility, but some things are for sure, and that is blockchain identity market to grow by 3.85 billion by 2025. So I'm wondering how much will Shiba Inu grow by 2025? Is $1 realistic? Maybe, but 1 cent is even more realistic if we check that 1/3 of a cent is very certain, and thinking about that if we hit 1/3 of a cent, so these are super realistic prices, and that would be if you put in $1,000 you would get 30,000 back, and you would get about a lot more from Shiba Swap as well, so you'd get about $60,000 just from Shiba Swap staking and the coin growing alone when it hit 1/3 of cents, so that's some massive rewards during the dip. But a new forecast for a global blockchain identity management market expects growth to the compound annual growth of almost 71% during 2021 to 2025. We are seeing blockchain identity growing, and that's another good thing. While this might not be for Shiba Inu for some time, one thing is for sure: while crypto is growing, so is SHIB, and a green revolution in crypto mining industry answers wake-up call. So miners are going green because Elon Musk has said that he will be accepting Bitcoin for Tesla when we're going green, and now is the time we're going cleaner and cleaner with mining more than ever, and it's only a matter of time before Elon Musk announces once again that Teslas can be paid with crypto, maybe with Bitcoin, maybe a few months later Dogecoin, and I'm really excited for that. He's a big helper of meme coins. If you can pay for a Tesla with Shiba Inu, imagine what will happen. Many miners have been actively striving for sustainable energy practices, especially publicly listed miners who wish to maximize their returns for shareholders and stakeholders. We believe this is an integral approach to improve our sustainable practices and mitigating our environmental impact. Check over here. Nigerians are coming stronger than ever by crypto. You know, they're buying all the crypto they can, even during a crackdown. So these regulations, they don't really help. The countries want to stop crypto, but it cannot be stopped. The growth is immense, and it's only a matter of time before an institution comes in. Now that institutions in Germany are legally allowed to invest into cryptocurrencies, it's only a matter of time before an institution invests into a Shiba Inu coin, or maybe multiple Shiba Inu coins. If you get me, we keep some securities. It's a crypto, not too much, but enough, sort of an insurance policy. When the ban happened, we were thankfully able to pay salaries, so a lot of trading activity has now been punished underground, which means many Nigerians are depending on a less secure, less transparent over-the-counter channels, as well as Telegram and WhatsApp groups where people trade through directly with each other. So they still have not stopped, but now more people can get scammed. So the government's moves to repress crypto has also received internal criticism, with Vice President publicly rebuking the ban in February. And we can see over here, you know, we will see what will happen with Nigeria. Nigeria is currently exploring the development of central bank digital currency, and they just decided to ban all crypto. You know, it's happened. The same thing happened in China. Blockchain and crypto will challenge current finance. Nigerian VP Vice President says Jamie Osibayo sees potential for crypto and blockchain, so there's that. Maybe we will be seeing crypto once again. Another crypto country such as Paraguay is stepping in. I definitely hope so, as Marathon buys 30,000 more Bitcoin miners. This is another good sign that Bitcoin is on a very bullish flank. Thank you so much for watching. Seems like we are on our starting steps of the second quarter, or the second year of 2021 being a great year for crypto and Shiba Inu. Peace everyone. Thank you so much for dropping a like. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.